In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to make any logo transparent using a simple background removal technique. We'll go through uploading your logo, removing the background, and downloading it in the right format to preserve transparency. First, head to the Edit toolbar and click on Uploads. This is where you can bring in your own logo file or create a new one from scratch. Once you see your logo in the Uploads panel, just click on it to place it onto your canvas. With your logo selected, click the Edit Photo button to access the image editing tools. Here in the Effects menu, you'll find the Background Remover tool. This feature automatically detects and removes the background from your logo with just one click. Perfect! Now that the background is removed, let's save your transparent logo. Click the Share button at the top. From the sharing options, select Download to access the export settings. For the file type, you'll want to choose PNG. This format is essential because it's the one that supports transparency. This step is crucial. Make sure you check the Transparent Background checkbox. Without this enabled, your logo will export with a white background instead. All set! Go ahead and click Download to save your logo as a PNG file with a transparent background. That's all there is to it. You now have a transparent logo that you can use anywhere. Feel free to go through this walkthrough again anytime you need a refresher.